Hey guys, welcome back to Bodybuilder Builds. Today we are putting my MAXXIS stickers on my Trepadors. I think they're from Tyre stickers. Yeah, it's like a well-made laminated instruction, so it tells you each step on how to do it. I've never done this before, but it looks very easy, so I'm pretty savvy with my hands, so they even give you some stickers, which is cool if you're like a son or whatever. As well, I had to use 120 grit on a grinder just to make a flat surface for the sticker to remove some of this raised lettering, just so I could get good adhesion with the sticker. It's pretty easy if you use a grinder before, just go light and don't dig into the actual tire wall because that would be very bad. But yeah, just skim the top off so it's reasonably flat. Wipe down as much as 10 times with acetone over your surface you'll be gluing to. So I'll start that now. It says as well to do this until there's no dirt or grime left on your rag or paper towel, whatever you're using. So it could take a while. I'm just gonna send it because I'll be here all day. I've already been here for like half an hour doing this, so. Moderately apply. That's the sealant here. They call it Flex Cement. And they give you, well, I wouldn't say free, but a bottle of this decal soap, so when they get dirty, apparently this makes them real white and nice again, which is good of them. These as well are meant to be a permanent decal. You can pull them off with, you know, a knife or screwdriver or pliers, whatever. I'm sure it'll be easy to get them off if you think they look ugly after a while. Alright. She is ready. The placement's gonna be about there. Okay, I'm happy with that. It is time for the sacred placing. Right guys, I've done another one off camera outside, because this hurt my back lifting this up here because it's a heavy thing. I'm about to pull off the top bit. I haven't pulled off the top bit on the outside when I've just, oh my god, the wind, shut up, please. Wow, it's nice and white, look at that. Oh, a bit of oozing. It's not bad though, it's not bad. Wow. Wow, 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 I'm pretty happy with that. That's like way whiter than I was expecting. Some people absolutely hate these, but I think in the right color combinations you picked for your car, they can look real nice. I also got some fresh black lug nuts for my tires, so it all looks fresh when they go on. Probably too high. Yes. Yes. It looks beautiful. That looks unreal.